Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a pop-up using the recently released interactions feature in Divi 5. I'm going to create another section. Let's delete this section, add another section, regular section, a new row, group module. We have another video on the group module that I recommend checking out. I'm going to use the image module. The image I'm going to use is a banner created by website promoters. I'm going to add another module, a text module, and get rid of the show text. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of the text. I'm going to set the background color. First, I'm going to eliminate the padding and margin at the top. I'm going to use a spacing preset 5. The background I'm going to set to a black. If it isn't evident by now, I'm using multiple new features of Divi 5. One was global colors, another was global presets, another was the group module. Then I'm going to add another module below this text module, a new row, new module, add a button module, design, spacing 5 preset. I'm going to add another button below it. Spacing 5 preset. Set the background of this row to black. This button here, I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to go up here. I want to copy and paste the styles, the attributes from here. I'll extend. I might make another video on the extend feature. That's another new feature in Divi 5. Paste the attributes. I'm going to do it for this one also. I think for this, I'm going to just leave it like this. Over here, I'm going to change the text to get more customers, design, button border. I'm going to get rid of the border width. And the button icon. I'm going to leave the button icon there. For this one, I'm going to remove the button icon. Use custom styles for button. Don't show the button icon. I'm also going to go into the border here. Border width, I'm going to set to 0. Box shadow. Let's get rid of the box shadow. Let's use preset 2 there. Okay. For the section, I'm going to use the spacing 5 preset. So all the spacing, specifically the padding, is removed from all sides of the module. We don't really need the text module here, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, and this row here, or this group, spacing, I'm also going to use the spacing 5 preset. Okay, then for the section, I'm going to go into advanced, position, fixed position, vertical offset, let's do 300 pixels. And this is an important detail, the Z index. I'm going to set to 9,999. So it's above the content on the rest of the page. Then for this section, I'm going to make the background color transparent. So I'm going to pick any color. And the opacity, I'm going to set to 0%. Let's do RGB 0000. Transparent, that could really work with any color. 0%. You could also do any color really. Maybe set to 0%, it'll be transparent. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is let's actually set maybe to 200, 150. Okay. And this last button here, I'm going to change the text to close. Then advanced position. This time I'm going to use relative. So it's relative to this section, this container. Horizontal, I'm going to set it to, let's see, 91%. The vertical offset, let's try 500. Let's do 200. So the offset origin is going to be from this left-hand corner. Let's do 2000. 2000 is too much. Let's try 1000 to 800, 300, 500. 750. Let's adjust it so it's correct. Okay. Let's see if I can make the sizing of this smaller. Just so it covers the button, but nothing else. Okay. And now lastly, I'm going to set an interaction on this section here. First thing I'm going to do is call popup, viewport enter, toggle visibility, target module. So I'm going to change the admin label this to popup. Interactions, popup. Target module is going to be popup. This button here. Another interaction. This time it's going to be a click interaction. I'm going to call the admin label pop-up close, toggle visibility, and it's going to be the pop-up section, which will be the target module. Save. Add an animation. Fade. Save draft. Save draft. Let's preview it. Okay, and if I click this close button here, it closes. One thing else I need to do is so the page doesn't refresh on the button click for the close button. I'm going to set the target link URL to the pound sign so it won't refresh when someone clicks to close the pop-up. The link in current tab, button link target in the current tab, button link URL. It's going to be the pound sign. Let's preview. Okay, if I click the close button, it doesn't refresh. Okay, that is the end of the video. Remember to like the video, share the video, leave comments below the video, and subscribe to the channel.